Relationship is not here. Relationship is how I think about you here. So if I'm thinking something which is not pleasant, it's going to reach there. Once it reaches there, if you are not aware, you will start creating similar kind of thoughts for me. And then you will start creating that. I will send it there, it created there, conflict. Where's the conflict? Where's the conflict? It's here. How many people are needed to heal this conflict now? How many people are needed to heal that relationship? One. So, never sit with them and say, आओ बैठो रिश्ते को ठीक करते हैं. Because we feel दोनों को बैठना पड़ेगा रिश्ते को ठीक करने के लिए. And sometimes when two people sit to resolve an issue, they bring out so many things. के बाद में हम कहते हैं छोड़ दो मुझे तो जीवन में इसके बाद आपसे बात नहीं करनी है. Because all that thought process which we didn't even know that they think about us all comes out. So this is not a very good idea to say, come, let's bring out everything of the past and try and resolve it. What will we do by thinking about the past? What will we do by talking about the past? It's gone, it's over, finished. Don't give it so much power. Even if I did not think right for you before, even if you did not think right for me before, even if we did not behave nicely with each other before, we can't do anything today. But today we can decide that from today, my every thought will be right for you. And that's it. It's healed. But if I bring out everything of the past and you also bring out everything for the past, I will be shocked to know that you think like this about me. So it's not a very good idea sometimes to, जब गांठ ज़्यादा बन जाती है ना ऐसा, not, don't need to try and open it. आगे चलो. Which doesn't mean रिश्ते को तोड़ो, गांठ को तोड़ के बाहर फेंको. Which means that part is over. You know, like when we are knitting and it gets very knotted, you can't always open it. It's very knotted. And so much effort goes into opening the knot. Easier is to just break that part of the thread and start work again. Why to open it? So it's the past. It must have been deep. If today we decide that from today, my every thought for you is going to be new, I'm not going to bring my past into my present, relationship is healed. And for which we don't need the other person. We don't need both the people to think nice. We only need one out of the two to think nice. So my relationship is in my control. So even if I have been thinking wrong for you, you have been thinking wrong for me for days, months, years, or even many births. So there's been a lot of energy exchange. Today, realization, transformation, that from today, I will start creating nice thoughts for you. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Let it go on. First person who will get protected. I'm sending that nice energy to the other person. Gradually, they will also start receiving that soothing energy. But it has to come from here, not from here. Thinking something else and speaking something else will never heal anything. Sometimes we bring out everything and we say, okay, आज से हम ठीक करेंगे, आज से सब change हो जाएगा. And we make a lot of effort कि आज से सब change हो जाएगा, but we make that effort outside. In how I will speak to you, in how I will behave with you. Because the other person tells us a lot of to-do list. You do this for me, be like this, do this, do. And we say, yes, I will do it for you because I really want this relationship to work. And we make a lot of effort. Genuine, authentic effort, but we make it outside. And when we make it outside, effort is more and result is less, because that subtle communication is sending something else inside. We talk only once in a while to people. We behave, come into action once in a while with people, but we are thinking about them the whole day. So where is the relationship getting created? Here. How many of us know how to think something else and speak something else? If we want to be powerful, emotionally powerful, let this be clean. Inside, outside, same. If something is not worth saying, then it's also not worth thinking. If I say it, you will feel bad, then even if I think it, it will reach you and you will feel bad. And most important, I will feel bad because I'm thinking like that. Right? So can we be inside, outside, same? Can we say what we are feeling? Can we say everything we are feeling? If we say it, what will happen? It might hurt somebody. Now I only have to tell myself, it will reach them and hurt them not only when I say it, but it's also reaching them when I am thinking it. So if I don't want to send them that negative energy, I will have to stop it here, not here. The converter is become here. The converter will have to be here. So someone comes to your place and you are ready with your dinner, everything is done, and you're sitting and watching a nice movie or a cricket match, and they come. And then you just say, "Baitho," to बैठ जाते. And I'm like, inside, बैठ ही गए, मैं एक ही बार बोला था बैठने के लिए सिर्फ. Then second courtesy, आप खाना खा के जाना. So they say, आप इतने प्यार से बोल रहे हो तो हम खा लेंगे. होता है कि नहीं होता ऐसा? So if we don't feel like doing it, don't say it. Don't say it. I'm busy. Fine. I've already finished my dinner. Not obliged to cook for you right now. But we say it because we feel we have to be nice to people. And then when they say yes, we send so many wrong thoughts from here. So many wrong thoughts from here. And that other person's spouse will say, वो एक बार बोले और आप भी बैठ गए, देखा नहीं कितना heavy energy आया उसके बाद उधर. And the husband is going to say, how am I supposed to know that they were thinking something else and saying something else? You see how things will become complicated? Simple things are complicated today. So leave alone the complicated ones. The simple ones are complicated. So if someone's come to my place, what are the options I have? What are the options I have? What are the options I have? If you don't feel like cooking, don't offer dinner. It's perfectly fine. We can always tell people, wonderful meeting you, we'll meet next Sunday for dinner. Lekin don't offer dinner and be suffocated inside, because you are cheating yourself and you are cheating them. In the name of dinner, you have just given them lot of negative energy. So don't feel like cooking, it's perfectly fine. We are not here to keep pleasing the world every time. I'm not well, I don't feel like getting up and cooking. Majboori se nahi karna kisi ke liye bhi kuch bhi. Says, I would love to have you for dinner, but let's keep it for next Sunday. Person will also say, fine. Second, you want to be nice and cook for them, then change the thought here. आए हैं, उसमें क्या है? चलो, फटाफट बना लेंगे. But the converter will have to be here. Not the converter here. Which means andar bahar same. Andar bahar same. This is going to be the secret for us to be happy, for us to be healthy, and for us to have beautiful relationships. Because if I think something else for them and yet I cook for them, which means I do things for them outside, after many, many years I'm going to understand that I made lot of sacrifices for them and yet they are not happy. Because while I was doing all that, I was sending wrong energy from here. It would have been better not to do it. So andar bahar से. So एक, हम औरों के साथ अंदर बाहर same, and दूसरा, if someone is telling us that let's eat dinner next Sunday, I don't feel like cooking today, don't feel bad. They've only been honest. Allow people to be honest. You know, this has become a way of living. that I have to just be nice to you on my face and on your face just so that our relationship is good. And अंदर कुछ और बाहर कुछ और झूठ 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 बोलकर वो रिश्ते की फाउंडेशन क्या हो जाती है? So allow people to be honest. If someone was to come for a meeting tomorrow 10 o'clock and they leave from their house only at 9:30 or 9:45, now you ask them, where have you reached? Say, just there, one signal away from your house here. People do that or they don't do that? They do that. They will not tell us honestly that I'm sorry, I was late, you do some other work for 1 hour because it's going to be 1 hour for me to reach there. Things can be so simple. But we feel unko bura lagega if I say I left late. So it's better to just keep saying, I'm stuck in the traffic jam, I'm stuck in the traffic jam, I'm stuck in the traffic jam. Cheating ourselves before we cheat other people. And फिर वो जीवन जीने का तरीका ही बन जाता है. हमें लगता भी नहीं कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं, हमें लगता है ये तो नॉर्मल ही है ऐसा बोलना. एंड सामने वाला भी खुश हो जाता है, हाँ बेचारे ट्रैफिक में अटके ना, टाइम पे तो निकले थे ना मेरे लिए. सो वी प्लीज ईच अदर बाय लाइंग टू ईच अदर. So we are happy on the face of it, but foundation of the relationship starts getting affected when there is this energy which is going in, which is not honest. अगर सच बोलने के बाद किसी को थोड़ा सा बुरा लगता भी है तो वो शॉर्ट टर्म बुरा लगेगा, लेकिन अगर अंदर से कुछ और भेज रहे हैं तो वो लॉन्ग टर्म डैमेज होगा. So let's allow people to be honest. And after that, let them take the time to take care of their state of mind. We need to get back our integrity and transparency rather than being very artificial to each other outside. Don't you think we become very artificial sometimes in being nice, in pleasing people, in wanting their approval? This makes us very different inside, outside. And that's where we deplete power. So is it okay for people to be honest? Is it okay? Is it okay if they say, I don't feel like meeting you today? Good. Is it okay if they say, I don't feel like coming for your function today? Hanji? What was that? See, because we are not ready to listen to the truth, people say 5 lies. ओ क्या है ना जी, मैंने सोचा तो था आने का. उन्होंने 10 दिन पहले डिसाइड किया था कि वो नहीं आने वाले हैं. Don't you think we are doing these karmas? Aren't we doing this karma? Now it thinks it's normal, but it's not, because every time I am not being honest to myself and to people, I am depleting my power. So isn't it fine to tell them all the best, good wishes, but I'm really sorry, I'll not be able to come. But you know what? Immediately they might not be happy. But we are not here to please the world. We are here to heal the world. 2 things are completely different. 2 things are completely different. इतना खुश करके 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 भी एक दूसरे को रिश्ते देखो कैसे हो गए. नहीं है ना स्ट्रॉन्ग, क्योंकि खुश करने का तरीका अलग हो गया था. There was one lady who came to Delhi from another city and she got my number. She called me up. I am here today. I would like to meet you. I said, I'm really sorry. I will not be able to meet today. I have to go for shooting. So what? Let's meet in the evening. I said, no, because I don't know when I will be free. It's a very unpredictable thing when we are doing technical work. It can take any amount of time. She gave me a lot of ज्ञान on the phone. Oh, आप टीवी पे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें करते हैं, ये है वो है, और आप ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं. You can't even say that you will take. I said, you know what? I don't want you to keep waiting till the evening. I know I will not be able to meet. So she gave me such good gyan. She said, at least to make me happy, you should have said that you will try. I would have been happy. And she said, you hurt me. I put down the phone. I said, ye lo subah subah hurt ho gaye. I called her up. I apologized. Not for what I said. I said, I apologize because you are hurt. But I still am telling you that I will not be able to meet you this evening. So people rather prefer that they keep waiting the whole evening, and then 1 hour before I will call them up and say, I really tried to meet you, but you know what? They feel nice. But if I directly say, no, I will not be able to meet you, they won't feel nice, because we want people to. So let's build up this power to be honest to people and allow people to be honest to us. We will stop cheating ourselves and cheating people. But it will have to begin from the ability to be able to say a no, and more important than that, the ability to be able to listen to a no. A lot of people say, I'm not able to say no to people. I said, wo baad mein karenge. First be able to listen to a no from people. Once you start listening to a no from people, to be able to say your no when you are not in a mood of something will come very easy, because then your life is standing on very strong, authentic principles. Why we need to do that? Because if I'm thinking something else and saying something else, my happiness, my health, my relationship is getting affected. I'm not here to short-term please people. I'm here to be happy, to be healthy, and build strong relationships, and most important, to radiate authentic vibrations into the environment.